Here's how to download an entire YouTube playlist using the YouTube website. Open YouTube on web browser and find the playlist you want to download. Tap the playlist to open it and see all videos inside. Tap the three-dot menu on the right side of the playlist. Tap Download to begin downloading the entire playlist at once. The downloads will save automatically to your YouTube app's Download section. To find them, tap your profile picture, go to Downloads, and all your saved playlists and videos will be there available to watch offline even without an internet connection. A few important things to know. This feature only works if you have YouTube Premium. Downloading content is a premium exclusive feature and is not available on the free tier. Also, downloaded videos can only be watched inside the YouTube app and cannot be saved as files to your device. If you need actual video files for editing or archiving, you need a separate tool. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.